Welcome to Create Your Own. This week we'll be making wiggle worm puppets. You'll need glue, pom-poms, thread, a needle, and a popsicle stick, and scissors. First, I decided I should probably glue on my wiggle eyes onto one of the pom-poms. This way, I'll allow it to dry while I work on the rest of the project. Thread your needle and get started. One pom-pom threading at a time. As you poke through the pom-pom, you'll then need to glide it on down the string. And did I forget to mention, at the end of the string, make sure that you tie a knot so it doesn't fly off the other end. Keep going with the rest of the pom-poms, continuing to stick them onto the needle and slide them along to the end of the thread. Finally, I put the last pom-pom with the wiggle eyes on, and you can make your wiggle worm any length you'd like. The next step, take the needle off the end of the thread and tie it onto the popsicle stick. Next, I then took the end of the pom-pom length on the other end and went in a couple pom-poms and decided to tie the next part of the thread. I then took some scissors, cut off the kind of extra hanging off pieces of the thread from where the knot was at the end, as well as the knot where I tied the new piece of thread, which will be the other end of the popsicle stick, and then tied. Now that you have it tied on each end, you can make your wiggle worm wiggle. Do 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 do. Make a couple and they can be friends. Enjoy!